Question. When choosing a job, the salary is the most important consideration. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement?
Introduction.
Many people choose their jobs based on the size of the salary offered. Personally, I disagree with the idea that money is the key consideration when deciding on a career, because I believe that other factors are equally important.
Body 1.
On the one hand, I agree that money is necessary in order for people to meet their basic needs. Most people consider it a priority to at least earn a salary that allows them to cover their basic needs and have a reasonable quality of life. For example, we all need money to pay for housing, food, bills, healthcare, and education. If people chose their jobs based on enjoyment or other non-financial factors, they might find it difficult to support themselves. Artists and musicians, for instance, are known for choosing a career path that they love, but that does not always provide them with enough money to live comfortably and raise a family.
Body 2.
Nevertheless, I believe that other considerations are just as important as what we earn in our jobs. Firstly, personal relationships and the atmosphere in a workplace are extremely important when choosing a job. Having a good manager or friendly colleagues, for example, can make a huge difference to workers' levels of happiness and general quality of life. Secondly, many people's feelings of job satisfaction come from their professional achievements, the skills they learn, and the position they reach, rather than the money they earn. Finally, some people choose a career because they want to help others and contribute something positive to society.
Conclusion.
In conclusion, while salaries certainly affect people's choice of profession, I do not believe that money outweighs all other motivators.